Hello friends, this is the Cryptonian taking a look at Cardano ADA. On fire today. Cardano earlier was up probably 24-25%, and you can see here that they're currently going for a little bit more here, and I don't think they're going to get past that 37 cents. That 37 cents was the prediction from an earlier video. As you can see that we hit that 37 cents, almost 38 cents clearly right here. And so what a day it's been. What a day it's been. You can see that according to the Cryptonian volatility mod tool, we did go into a second impulse. We had the first impulse here and then the second impulse, and you can see that clearly on the mod here. So we had the first impulse, which started actually down here, okay, and we had the crossover, which means a lot of strength, and this is what I was telling you guys. This strength came in as we crossed a breakout point, and so there's a lot of strength there. A lot of bears got massacred. XRP, big news today, and I think that's what really pushed the market. Many coins really over the edge, just exploded today, and so Cardano was one of them. And I think Cardano was a sympathy play, because I do believe that a lot of people think that Cardano, especially after the XRP ruling, the judge ruled that XRP is not a security, and I believe that Cardano is probably going to get the same designation. So, and I think that's really what was pushing the market. So to see the trend better, we're on the 15 minutes, okay? And so you can see that the line turned blue, and then all of a sudden it turned yellow. So right about here at the peak, right about here, exactly here on this candle, this is where the volatility mod tool turned yellow, and this is when we were finished with that part of the impulse, right? And then of course it turned blue again up here, and so we had another residual impulse pushing up here towards 37 cents. And here we go again. We're pushing even up against it again. 36.9, 36.8 cents. So we're right at that point, right at my prediction here. What is predicted now is I'm predicting a pullback here. And you can see that I do have a prediction tool here. That's the Cryptonian moving average forecast mod. And all of these are tools that are part of what's called the Cryptonian suite and Cryptonian mod add-ons, right? These are multiple tools, and so you can see here that it's showing these green dotted lines. This is the trajectory of the prediction. And so, you know, this big move here will pull back, and a common pullback point is the Fibonacci, 0.5 Fibonacci here. Let me go ahead and show you a little bit here. Let's there we go. Put a little bit more real estate on the chart here. There we go. And so it's predicting this pullback, a little bit of a bump, and then pulling back even farther. And so after this big move, the question is, where are we going to come back down to? And I truly believe we're probably going to come back down to the golden pocket, this level right here, which is about 31.6 cents. This is what's called the golden pocket. It's 0.6 Fibonacci, and that's a very common pullback point. And so either that or even maybe a little bit higher, 32.8 cents right here. And that's correlating with the 50 moving average. Okay. Now, typically, what I would say is we even come back back to 30 cents, which is down by the 200 here. However, that may not be the case, because it's so bullish. Usually what happens is you break out, you come back, you retest, and then you go up from there. But look, I mean, Cardano just flew through there, came back a little bit, pulled back to about 33.7, and then shot up from there. Wow. And it's still actually, look at this, still actually going. Where are we now? Okay. All right. So, yeah, still pushing and hammering on that 37 cents. And if they can get through this area, that would be kind of crazy. But probably right now tapping liquidity. And you can see over here on the Cryptonian tool here, Cryptonian Suite tool, RSI 81, very overextended to the upside, and EMA bullish, DMA bullish, and this expansion here is what I was talking about, um, and it's showing you this expansion. We see the expansion here on this tool here, the volatility mod. Let me pull it up a little bit there. This is expansion here. You can see that by the background here being light blue, and that's the expansion period, which was from here all the way up to here, and then we had a pullback, and this is a contraction period, and that's kind of when we just went sideways, and then we went into another expansion period, although the second expansion period is not going to be as strong as the first. Okay, so my prediction here, 33.2 cents between that and 32 cents, right? This golden pocket right here. Um, there you have it, friends. Just wanted to congratulate everyone, everyone who is holding Cardano. Congratulations, especially if you purchased much, much lower. You are very happy today. And I think the market in general is very happy because Cardano is benefiting from the XRP ruling. Congratulations. And we will talk to you later in the next video. That's my prediction. This is not financial advice, but I would not chase this. You can see that, it's maxed out. The RSI is maxed out. All of these pink bubbles, pink circles show you that, yes, it's a sign of strength, but it's maxed out. It's on a relative basis. The price is expensive on a relative basis, right? So there you have it, friends. Take care. We will see you in the next video. Congratulations.